She sneezed. She sneezed. She sneezed. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hi guys, so there is my family pictures of superheroes, princesses. That's me. That's Rapunzel. That's my sister Michaela. I don't know who she is. That's my mom and dad. My dad's Batman and my mom's Catwoman. That's my sister Leah, who is, I don't know. That's my brother King with Spider-Man. He's a big fan of Spider-Man. And I'm going to show you. He's reading a book. Here's him closely. Very close. There's him far away. Closer, closer, far away. Close, far, close, far, close, far, close, far. Close. Far. Far. Far, far, far. Far. There's him in real life. But he's really really close. I'm going to pause the video. Bye! It hurts. Oh, did you get your boo-boo? I scratched my mosquito bite. I'm going to end this video, the 2-part 2. Subscribe down below on this video, unless you want to see part 2. Woo! Bye!